Hi viewers, good morning. This is NJ here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, बताओ अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मरहबन, सबाल खैर, तजहाओ, विविध, जियानु. Dear students, today we are discussing the use of sounds of birds and animals. The sounds of birds and animals are of great importance. The short sentences including these sounds are commonly narrated in day-to-day life. Let's see today's lesson of bird sounds and short sentences with these sounds. Dear students, let's start our lesson up here. The first sentence you see here, the monks are rowing. The monks are rowing. The monks are rowing. The monks are rowing. राहब कश्ती रानी कर रहे हैं. The monks are rowing. राहब कश्ती रानी कर रहे हैं. This is present continuous tense. ये फेल हाल जारी का एक जुमला है. Monks are rowing. राहब कश्ती रानी कर रहे हैं. The monks are rowing. राहब कश्ती रानी कर रहे हैं. Let's move to the next statement. Next you see here, my students. The horses are racing. 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 घोड़े दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. घोड़े रेस लगा रहे हैं. घोड़े रेस लगा रहे हैं. घोड़े दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. The horses are racing. The horses are racing. घोड़े दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. Let's see the next statement. Next statement you see here. The clouds are sailing. 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 बादल धुंधला रहे हैं. The clouds are sailing. बादल धुंधला रहे हैं. This is the present continuous tense. ये फेल हाल जारी है. It indicates that the verb and the activity is in continuation in the present time. The clouds are sailing. The clouds are sailing. बादल धुंधला रहे हैं. The clouds are sailing in the sky. बादल आसमान पर धुंधला रहे हैं. The clouds are sailing in the sky. The clouds are sailing. बादल आसमान पर धुंधला रहे हैं. Let's move to the next statement. You see, my students, the bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. This is a negative statement. ये एक मंफी जुमला है. The bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. मक्खियाँ नहीं भिन बना रही हैं. मक्खियाँ नहीं भिन बना रही हैं. The bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. मक्खियाँ नहीं भिन बना रही हैं. This is a negative statement with the bird sounds. With the sounds. The bees are not buzzing. The bees are not buzzing. मक्खियाँ नहीं भिन बना रही हैं. Insect sounds. Let's see the next statement. Next one is the robins are not chirping. 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 Robins नहीं चहचहा रहे हैं. Robin is a very small and cute bird. The robins are not chirping. The robins are not chirping. Robins नहीं चहचहा रहे हैं. Robins नहीं चहचहा रहे हैं. The robins are not chirping. Robins नहीं चहचहा रहे हैं. Next statement. And next you see here, are cocks clucking true? Are cocks clucking true? Are cocks clucking true? This is an interrogative statement. As you see the interrogative sign here, and R is in the start of the statement. Are cocks clucking true? Are cocks clucking true? क्या मुर्ग भी बांग दे रहे हैं? क्या मुर्ग भी अजान दे रहे हैं? Are cocks clucking true? Interrogative sign. क्या मुर्ग भी बांग दे रहे हैं? क्या मुर्ग भी अजान दे रहे हैं? Are cocks clucking true? Are cocks clucking true? क्या मुर्ग भी अजान दे रहे हैं? So my students, these are very important insects, birds and animal sounds and these short sentences. I hope you will memorize this. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.